first thing I'll do is switch some background mapping on so we can see what we're doing. And we've got different types. We've got the Bing maps, and we've got street maps as well. So bring that in, which looks nice. I'm then going to load in an existing model. Open that up. And you can see what I've got is a very short model where I've got several river cross sections, an upstream boundary here, a downstream boundary here, and you can see I want to put the bridge in here. So this is a bridge over the River Petrel. That's the M6, and I need to add a bridge. The first thing I'm going to do is just create a copy of my model, so I don't want to overwrite it. So I'm going to give it a name. And to add the bridge is really easy now. I simply select the two nodes where I want to add the bridge. I go to 1D build and bridges. I choose the new bridge unit. And that automatically gets added into my network. So you can see that's appeared here between the two units. That's been added in, and it's appeared in the network down here as well. So now I can add some details into my bridge. I can give it a name. So this is New Biggin Bridge. I can give it a description. And I can define the type. In this case, this is a USBPR bridge. The software has automatically populated the upstream and downstream cross-section details in here, so I don't need to copy those in myself. But I can review them. I can switch between the upstream and the downstream face and decide which one I want to use in my bridge when I define my bridge. The next thing I need to do is define my openings. This is the opening in the bridge. This is really easy to do. So I want to go from here to here. So I simply start by typing in start there. So start 11. So I just add a new start 11, finish at 27, and the elevation is 41 meters. And that's the opening added into my model. And I can add as many of these as I like. So if it's a multi-arch opening, I could add extra ones. I can see all the elevation data as I look at this. If this is a dual bridge, I can model it as a dual bridge as well by just switching that on or off. So I'm going to add a spill in. So I need to add a new ordinate for my spill. So offset 0, and the elevation is 45 meters, and then the end point is 33 meters. And the spill elevation is 40. So it's added that spill into my model for me, and I can now see the cross section, the opening of my bridge, and the spill all in one place. I can also apply a blockage if I want to. So this may be I can apply a blockage there. I've got some other parameters I can play with, and this is a I can actually apply relief culverts. So if I want to apply a flood relief culvert, again, I can do that really easily by adding a new one, giving it a chainage, an invert, a soffit, and an area. And that gets added automatically in. And I can carry on adding these as well if I want to. So I want to add another one in at 4 meters, I can do that. That'll get added in to my model for me. There we go. So I've got 2 flood relief arches added in. I can also specify my pier data the same as I could previously. I'm happy with all those settings, and I've got access to the overarching bridge parameter settings as well. And once I've done that, that's complete. I just simply click OK, and that's added into the hydraulic model.